constrictor. A boa constrictor. A boa constrictor. I'm being eaten by a boa constrictor, and I don't like it one bit. Well, what do you know? It's nibbling my toe. Oh gee, it's up to my knee. Oh my, it's up to my thigh. Oh fiddle, it's up to my middle. Oh heck, it's up to my neck. Oh darn, it's up.
Water boatman. Stroke. We're water boatmen.
Stroke. Up early rowing.
Stroke. We're coxswain calling.
Stroke. An oarsman straining.
Stroke. And 6 men racing shell rolled into one.
We're water boatmen. Stroke.
We're worn out from rowing.
Stroke. Bound for the bottom.
Stroke. Of this deep mill pond. Stroke.
Stroke. Where we arrive
and shout the order, rest!